Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a really quick fire video on how to do SEO for your Amazon site, specifically for your product reviews. So this will help you if you're worried about ranking fast. If you don't think you can rank fast, I'm going to show you something right now. And if you're having trouble getting started and want a really quick fire video about just some of the main points that you want to have in with SEO when you're doing your sites, and it will really help you when you're going to do this stuff. The first thing I want to cover is if you want to make this a lot easier on yourself, building Amazon sites and building them up and getting ranked really quickly, do check out Azon Turbo Sites. It's below, the link's in the description. There's only 11 hours left on the clock. And what it will give you is the ability to create sites super fast at the click of a button. You're just uploading a few files and you'll have everything set up with the theme and the contact and the disclaimer and the Amazon affiliate disclaimer, everything in place, all of the plugins in place. And what it gives you in the content is all of the templates you need to be able to write content super fast. So you get them in there, you've got full instructions on how to use it, and it means that when you're building sites in 2022, you'll be able to do it the right way. The other really important thing is it's not a push button, it's not a cookie cutter site, it's not like duplicate content which won't do you any good. It allows you to build real sites like the one I'm just about to show you that will actually rank and make money, and then with that you can build them up and keep them and build up an income, or you could sell them on Flipper, but you'll be able to do the whole thing a lot quicker. So if you struggle building sites and the time it takes, if you struggle with the content, do check it out because it will save you a huge amount of time. Okay, let me show you, let me prove that point and actually show you how quick you can rank, and then give you the SEO techniques to be able to do it in a quick fire technique. So do check that out, it's in the description below. It's not available for long, and I'll give you this SEO guide. Okay, so before we begin, I just want to show you this site has got 2 pieces of content on, not 20 or 200, just 2 product reviews, and it's already indexed and it's already getting visits from the search, proven, and it's already getting picked up. You see here, it's like, now 2 pieces of content. I know we're not going to overtake the internet, like take over the internet and be ranking everywhere, but it's there and it's ranking, and it's it's all good. It's there and it's ranking, and it's going to do really well. I just wanted to show you this to show even in a competitive niche you can get indexed and you can get ranked. That said, it will vary. We're dealing with SEO here, so I'm not sort of contradicting myself. I'm saying this is the main thing to remember. SEO can be funny. You need to have good SEO, you need to have good content, and most of all you need to be updating your site frequently. Otherwise you're not going to get the traction needed. So when you're dealing with Amazon sites or any of this, do take it with a pinch of salt, because all we're really talking about here is SEO. So once you know these SEO techniques, you can rank any site. There's nothing different about Amazon sites in terms of something magic we're doing. You're dealing with SEO, and SEO can be fickle. That's why you want to have more than one site. That's why you want to try out different niches, and that's why you need Azon Turbo Sites below, because it will speed it up. You'll be able to build sites a lot quicker. But do build 2, 3, 4 sites and schedule out the content, and then some of them will take off, some of them won't, and that's just the way of business. That's the way of life. I just wanted to explain that. Let me show you just this SEO guide. Here we go. Okay, so quick fire SEO guide. What I want to do is just show you really quick fire where, so if you were doing this and you got content and you're not sure what to do, here we go. This is how I do my links. So right up here is an introduction, how I've written the content. And what I've done here is these are just pure Amazon links. What I've also done, you see the top one, I've linked back to the actual product review. I know that sounds weird, and if they click on it they're not go anywhere, but I just find it works well. Straight away I've given a call to action. The reason I've given a call to action is because I'm not bothered whether they read the whole article. If they decide to click right and go through to Amazon and buy these headphones, all good. Okay, that's what we want. So I always give them an opportunity to do that. Then the main thing that I can impart here that will help you more than any SEO guide is the content. You need to have good content. You need to be able to write it. If you're not prepared to write content, none of this stuff will help. That's how adamant I am on it. I've been doing this for a very, very long time. And if you can't write content, or you won't write content, the only option you have is to outsource, and that can get really expensive. You're looking at about anywhere from $40 to $60 for a well-written 2,000-word article. So it's not really feasible when you're starting out. Really, outsourcing, I'd give it a good go. Anyway, I go into the next bit. I'm not going to go into how to write the articles. I just want to talk about the SEO. But you can see here I've only got one link going through. I've got a picture of the product. Then I talk about features, and you can see I've left a lot of links here. I could put more in, but I don't need to. I don't need to put more in there because the content will hold up itself. It will be there. But you can see I'm quite heavily linking the product name. And then you can also see here I've got a link going through to the home page of the site. That's where that goes, and surrounded with the actual key phrase, the main key phrase that I want to get ranked for. And then this is another banner, and I could put more links in here, but I've decided not to. And then I've linked the product the product name. I've linked that as well, going through to Amazon, and then it goes straight through to Amazon again. So really simple SEO guide in the content. You can see ever such a lot about this is actually the actual content, and then just linking to the product on Amazon. And the beauty of it is you can see that this site is indexed, it's ranking, and it's got very little interlinking because there's only 2 pieces of content. In terms of how I lay out, which will really help you in SEO, in terms of how I lay out, I've got a category. I normally do brands or make or whatever you want. And then I've got the name of the brand. Then I've got some tags in. And then going down the meta description, I just introduce it. So if it's writing about this, I will be like, this blog post or this article will tell you about the XYZ and everything that you need to know before you're looking to buy. Or I might even go a bit wider and say, are you looking at buying the XYZ? Find out what you need to know first, and just that in there. The main thing I want to show you, and the reason I wanted to do this video, is SEO. You can see the links, very, very basic. It's linking back to the main. What I've done, 2 main things for you. I've linked back to the main post itself, and I've linked back to the home page. Okay, on my main key phrase, and the rest of it is just product links going through. And then what I will do as well is I will link through to my other product review. So I say, if you're looking for an alternative, check out this product review, and I'll do that a lot as I add content. The beauty of it is that there's just 2 pieces of content, and this is indexed. So as I add more product reviews in, it's going to build up, it's going to get more traction. And then when I add the keyword content in and link back to the product reviews, we will be absolutely rocking. And I'll keep you updated here on YouTube, so do subscribe if you want to see that, and I'll keep you updated with the rankings and the sales coming in. And if you're worried about, okay, you know, we're building sites, do check out Azon Turbo Sites. And for this other reason, I'm giving away 2 bonuses for this. Okay, I'm giving away a 30-day Amazon affiliate course. So if you want to get this tool and build sites faster, check it out in the link below. But you also get a 30-day Amazon affiliate course that will help you build sites faster. The other thing that I'm also giving is a complete flipper course. So if you want to build sites and flip them, you'll also get a complete course showing you how to do that step by step, and you'll be able to do that. So do grab it. With your turbo sites, you'll be able to build the sites, real sites, fast. And with your 30-day course, you'll know, if you liked the video you've just seen but you want to go more in depth, like how to get a domain, how to pick a niche, how to do keyword research, how to plan, how to write content, all of the stuff needed, you'll get that course for free, and you'll get turbo sites that will allow you to do it really, really quickly. So do get in, and I'll send you all of that today, and you'll be able to get going. I hope you enjoyed this. What I really wanted to do is just give you some encouragement and show you can get indexed quick, you can get ranked fairly quickly. You know, I'd give it 1, 2, 3 months of working hard, but when people say it takes years to rank, that's simply not true. And I work with big companies with SEO, not just Amazon affiliate and little Amazon affiliate sites. I work with big companies on SEO, and it's just simply, things have changed. Okay, so it takes longer than it did, and it can be fickle as well, as I mentioned. So don't just view this and say, well, my site hasn't ranked quick, so it doesn't work. It depends the niche, it depends the content, it depends how hard you're working on the site. So do have a few different sites going and work hard on it, but it doesn't take you years and years. So do grab Azon Turbo Sites if you want to speed it all up and get your free courses. Subscribe, because I've got some good stuff coming for you, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.